Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been returning to my channel, thank you for subscribing and for all your love and support. Today we're going to be making butter almond cookies, and I'm going to be using the term cookies because it is more searched on the YouTube algorithm. But in South Africa, we call these butter almond biscuits. So I've decided to share this recipe with you because not only is it delicious, you can use any shape of cookie cutter to make this a fun and exciting activity to do with your kids at home. I'm also going to show you a fun and exciting way to decorate these cookies in order to make them a bit more presentable. This traditional recipe has been made for many decades in my family and is enjoyed by both kids and adults. The first thing we're going to do is to preheat our oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Now you must remember that biscuits are always baked at 150 degrees Celsius. Anything higher than that is going to overbake your biscuits or burn them. In this bowl, I've added in 250 grams of unsalted butter, and I'm just going to place this in a microwave for a few seconds because it is quite cold in Johannesburg at the moment and the butter hasn't softened at all. To the butter, I'm going to add in a quarter cup of castor sugar and then just mix this until the butter changes color. Once you notice that the butter and sugar mix has turned to a pale creamish or pale yellow color, you're going to add in 1 cup of almonds. So this is ground almonds. And about a teaspoon of almond essence. Then mix this all together again. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and make a soft workable dough that I can roll out and shape. So you will know that your dough is ready when it has this kind of texture that you can roll, and when all the flour from the sides pull together into the dough. On a floured surface, I'm going to empty out half of the dough and just flatten it out to about 1 centimeter thick. I'm going to use a fondant rolling pin to even out all the fingerprints that we have on the dough. And then I'm using a tree cutter, but you can use whatever you have available, and then just press it down so that you get the shape. And this is the amazing shape that you will get. Can you see the texture of the biscuit? Nothing's crumbling. It's actually quite perfect to be baked. Place these biscuits on an oven tray that is lined with parchment paper, or you can use it on an oven tray that's lightly greased. So this is my oven tray, and I've got about 30 of these cookies. I'm going to bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes in a preheated oven, 150 degrees as mentioned earlier, and see you after 10 minutes. These are what the biscuits look like after they've been cooked. So I'm just going to pick up one to show you what the underneath looks like. Not too burnt, perfectly done. And we're going to wait 5 minutes to allow this to cool. To coat the biscuits, we're going to use some castor sugar, and I'm just going to be using about 1 tablespoon for the tree base or the stump, and about 3 tablespoons for the rest of the tree. To the 3 tablespoons of castor sugar, I've added in some forest green gel color, and I'm just going to mix it so that all these lumps disappear from the castor sugar. And this is going to be used to color the leaves of our biscuits, or the top part of our biscuits. So this is actually done, and I'm going to leave this aside and now work on our tree base or our stump. For the tree stump color, I'm using some chocolate brown, and I need it to be a dark brown color. So I've just added in a drop of brown and then mix that all together. Now I've got my brown for the tree stump or the base of the tree, and I've got the green for the leaves. So I'm going to start with the tree stump and the dark color, and then I'm just going to place it into the green, and these are our biscuits covered. How quick and easy is that? And obviously if you're making different shapes, you can color them according to the shape, like a rose or a flower would need a pink, or whatever color or whatever suits you. You can just color your castor sugar that color and decorate. And these are what our biscuits would look like. You've got the green at the top, the bottom brown. How easy was that to decorate? And let me show you when breaking it. It's actually nice and crunchy. Perfect afternoon tea treat. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed making it, if it was delicious, any other ways to pep up this recipe, any other ingredients you used, how you decorated your biscuits. So until the next vlog, happy baking!